Ooh, this is pretty stuff. So we're getting ready for the webcast for tomorrow. 611 is the POM, and these are all fabrics that I would recommend or I've used with 611. This is 100% tencel. It's a white. I picked it because it makes for a great blouse. You can't see through it. You know, a white you can't see through is just precious. It has, it's a stretch woven, 100% tencel. So great drape, great drape. Like I said, you can't see through it, and it has stretch in one direction. Then we have this beautiful reversible. I just love what I did with this. You'll see it. Anyway, this is 100% cotton. Plaid on one side, stripe on the other side, a gray, yellow, blue. I love the blue in it. So I picked up the blues with all of these. You can see here this is 100% cotton. This is a stretch woven, stretch in one direction. Beautiful blue. Kind of a Wedgwood almost. Then we have a cotton poly. Great drape. Great drape. This is stretch in one direction. This is a knit with stretch in one direction. Has a little bit of a sheen to it. I don't know if you can see that. It's very pretty. Just really pretty. And again, great drape. And it's kind of a smoky blue. This is a stretch woven, but it has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful drape. Very pretty for a blouse. And then we have a rust. I guess I'm going to call it rust. Deep red. This is like the color for right now. Anyway, this is a, I'm forgetting to tell you who they are. This is Lafayette 148. This is Lafayette 148. This one's Lafayette 148. I'll have them in the description. Anyway, this is a cotton silk. Beautiful, beautiful, lightweight, great drape. Both sides are usable. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Anyway, those are on for today, and the goal is happy sewing.